Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go paperless on your USAA bank account and view all your statements directly in the mobile app. Open the USAA mobile app. First, launch the USAA banking app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Go to your profile settings. Once you're logged in, your homepage dashboard will appear. Tap on your initials or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Access Document Settings. From the menu that appears, tap on My Documents. Open Document Preferences. On the next screen, tap on Document Preferences. Choose an account. Select the account you want to go paperless on. For example, choose your bank account or credit card. Edit Document Delivery Settings. Scroll down until you find Document Delivery Settings and tap Edit. Switch to Online Delivery. Change both credit card statements and other credit card documents to Online. Save your changes. Scroll down and tap Save. And that's it. You've successfully set your account to receive paperless documents. By going paperless, you'll receive your account statements and other important documents digitally, convenient, secure, and eco-friendly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.